In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section on mobile in Elementor. If you've ever built a gorgeous desktop layout that feels cramped on a phone, or you have a large banner, slideshow, or video that just isn't necessary on smaller screens, this quick technique will help you keep your mobile experience clean and focused without deleting anything. First, open your page with Elementor so you're in the editor, with the canvas on the right and the settings panel on the left. Make sure you're on the page where the content you want to control actually lives. Next, click the section or container you want to hide. Some sites use classic sections and columns, while others use the newer Flexbox containers. Either is fine. The key is to select the outer wrapper that holds the content you don't want to show on phones. If it's hard to click because elements overlap, use the navigator to select the exact section by name. Selecting the parent wrapper, not just a widget inside it, ensures the entire block is hidden on mobile. With that section selected, go to the Advanced tab in the left panel. This is where Elementor keeps controls for margins, positioning, effects, and visibility. Inside Advanced, open the responsive settings. You'll see options to control visibility across desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints. Turn on Hide on Mobile. As soon as you enable it, Elementor applies a CSS rule so that section won't display on mobile-sized screens while remaining visible on tablet and desktop. Nothing is deleted. Your content stays in the editor and in the page's HTML. It's simply not shown on phones. That's helpful if you ever want to bring it back later, or if you maintain a desktop-specific layout. Keep in mind that hidden elements can still load resources, so use this feature thoughtfully for performance. Finally, click Update to save your changes. Without updating, the visibility setting won't be applied on the live site. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you also need the section hidden on tablets, you can toggle that in the same responsive area, leaving desktop visible. Your site's breakpoints can be customized in Elementor settings, and Hide on Mobile will respect whatever values you've set. After updating, it's a good idea to preview on an actual phone or use Elementor's responsive preview to confirm the result. And if you want a tailored version for mobile, many designers duplicate a section, show one on desktop only and the other on mobile only. That's all it takes to hide a section on mobile while keeping your desktop and tablet designs intact.